181 species in genus Schismatoglottis. Schismatoglottis, my aroid obsession. I'm Ferb Vu, and like many plant enthusiasts, I've fallen head over heels for the captivating world of aroids, Araceae family. But within this vast and diverse family, one genus has truly captured my attention: Schismatoglottis. These fascinating plants, with their striking foliage and intriguing growth habits, have become a focal point of my collection, and I'm eager to share my passion with you. Unveiling the beauty of Schismatoglottis. Native to the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, Schismatoglottis are aroids that thrive in the humid understory. What sets them apart is their incredible diversity in leaf shape, size, and coloration. From velvety textures and intricate veining to shimmering metallic sheens and splashes of contrasting colors, each species offers a unique visual feast. Unlike their close relatives, the Homalomina, Schismatoglottis lack a distinct fragrance. Instead, they entice with their sheer visual appeal. Imagine leaves shaped like elongated teardrops, slender lances, or even elegant hearts, each adorned with patterns that mimic rippling water, abstract art, or even animal prints. The diversity is simply astounding. Exploring the diversity, a glimpse into the species. With over 180 recognized species and new ones constantly being discovered, the world of Schismatoglottis is a treasure trove for collectors. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Cultivating my Schismatoglottis collection. As a dedicated plant enthusiast, I've curated a collection of Schismatoglottis that brings me immense joy. Creating the right environment is crucial for their well-being. I mimic their natural habitat by providing high humidity, well-draining soil, and bright, indirect light. Regular watering is essential, but I always ensure the soil dries slightly between waterings to prevent root rot. One of the most rewarding aspects of growing Schismatoglottis is witnessing their growth and development. New leaves unfurl with an elegance that never ceases to amaze me. I find myself constantly observing their intricate patterns and textures, marveling at the artistry of nature. The allure of the rare and unusual. While I appreciate the beauty of common Schismatoglottis species, I'm particularly drawn to the rare and unusual varieties. These elusive gems, often discovered in remote corners of the rainforest, possess a unique allure. Their scarcity and distinctive characteristics make them highly sought after by collectors like myself. The thrill of the hunt is undeniable. Scouring online forums, connecting with fellow enthusiasts, and even embarking on expeditions to nurseries and plant shows are all part of the journey. When I finally acquire a rare Schismatoglottis, the sense of accomplishment is immense. A shared passion for Schismatoglottis. The beauty of the plant world lies in its ability to connect people. I've found a vibrant community of Schismatoglottis enthusiasts online and offline. We share our experiences, exchange tips and cuttings, and celebrate our successes together. This shared passion creates a sense of belonging and enriches my plant journey. I believe that everyone can find joy in cultivating plants, and Schismatoglottis offer a unique and rewarding experience. Their captivating beauty, diversity, and relative ease of care make them an excellent choice for both novice and experienced plant lovers. If you're looking to add a touch of the exotic to your home, I highly recommend exploring the world of Schismatoglottis. You might just find yourself, like me, falling under their spell.